Little side street.
Yeah.
Look at that spicy.
Swajon.
Toyota me.
Oh, what, dude? You'd have to get a. Oh yeah, I got a pistol holster. Yeah, yeah, because I have a broken I already have a broken pistol there.
If you want it really bright, level 5, the dots right here, that's where you get the power from. So it's on level 5, so it's pretty strong. The little dots. You know the devil name?
And I've never. That's pretty cool. How you can switch to reticle. I've never seen that before.
You're supposed to use 2 eyes though, right?
Yeah, both eyes. Yeah.
You're just gonna use both eyes actually.
Yeah, that's actually.
That's what it's for.
Yeah, that's why it's like. That's what it's made for. So you can have both eyes open, so you have better vision.
Corners, use a quick 1, 2 eyes back.
Yeah.
Kind of thing, right?
So you don't focus on it, you look past it, and then you still see the dot or the reticle. Yeah.
It's sick, man.
Yeah, it is.
Let's grab one of these babies.
You wanna grab another 18C? Yeah, sure.
Oh. You're hilarious. Oh, I'm checking out the gun wall. Yo, Spenny. What up? What do you gotta say to the camera, buddy?
How's that ATEX camo working for you?
You know, I pretty much just run and gun at Bigfoot, right?
Oh, is it?
But it doesn't work too well, but I find I think personally camo is meant for longer distances. I think for when people scan, right?
Yeah.
But it does help a lot for closer distances.
And how's Panther?
Yeah, oh yeah, yeah, I always hang out in the creek, that's why.
Yo, so we're down at the local white spot in Richmond. What up, Trav? What up, Sean? What up, Spenny? Save some calamari.